Hey guys, Jeff here from Turnkey, and obviously the topic right now is coronavirus. It is affecting a lot of businesses, a lot of our clients, and we're getting people reaching out to us all the time that, some people's sales have dropped 50% with the new Amazon shipping restrictions. So if you're not aware of that update, make sure that you check that list of current categories that are still allowed to ship inventory into Amazon FBA. And if you're not on that list, there's some challenges that can be worked around. But if you are on that list and you can still ship inventory, I'd recommend that you ship inventory as fast as possible. Get those shipments in because Amazon could change their policies any day. They could shut down, the option to receive inventory from additional categories, or they might go to the subcategory level any day now. And so if you're still allowed to send in Amazon shipments, I recommend that you send as much as you possibly can, as fast as possible, just to get stocked. Because the worst thing you want to do is run out of stock on Amazon FBA. And so if you are on the list of people that you cannot create shipments right now temporarily into Amazon FBA, there's other solutions out there as well, like seller fulfilled, processing for orders and other methods too that you may want to consider with different fulfillment options and warehouses. So what we did at Turnkey is we put together a free report. We're calling it how to survive and thrive during the coronavirus epidemic or pandemic really now. And we wanted to put all the problems that we're hearing from companies, and then we put all the solutions that we could possibly think of just to give as a resource to you guys. So if you want that, if that would help you, go over to turnkeyproductmanagement.com/corona and go get that free report, because that will hopefully help you during this time, because we have to do it together. It's really, really tough to do it all on your own. And we're trying to just be here to help people through, because right now this could be a time where some businesses over the coming months will end up having to close down or go out of business. But at the same time, this could be a really good opportunity, because there's gonna be more online shoppers than ever, more Amazon shopping happening than ever, most likely, right? Because people are shopping from home. And so if you can survive and thrive during this time, if you can come out of it on the other side, this might be the best opportunity in the long run for you, and you'll be in a really, really good position and be able to, help all your customers. So anyways, head over to turnkeyproductmanagement.com/corona, and make sure that you get that report. And I hope that it's helpful for you guys. And if you have any other questions, please reach out to us and we'll try our absolute best to help you guys. So thank you for listening. And I just send all my best wishes to you guys. Good health to you and your families. And let's get through this together. Thanks.